Imagine waking up every morning feeling anxious before your partner even says a word. You replay every conversation in your head. You apologize, even when you didn't do anything wrong. You start questioning your own memory. Your confidence slowly disappears. And one day, you look in the mirror and barely recognize yourself. The scary part? Toxic relationships rarely begin with cruelty. They begin with love, attention, affection, promises. The manipulation comes later. And because it happens little by little, many people don't realize they're trapped until years have passed. Today, we're going to uncover 7 powerful signs of a toxic relationship, explain why leaving is so incredibly difficult, and most importantly, how you can begin taking your life back. Stay until the end, because sign number 7 is the one psychologists say causes the deepest emotional damage. What is a toxic relationship? Before we dive into the warning signs, let's define what a toxic relationship actually is. A toxic relationship isn't one where couples occasionally argue. Every healthy relationship has disagreements. Conflict is normal. Disrespect is not. A toxic relationship is one where one or both partners consistently create emotional harm instead of emotional safety. Instead of feeling supported, you feel controlled. Instead of feeling loved, you feel exhausted. Instead of becoming your best self, you slowly become someone smaller. Many toxic relationships don't involve physical violence. Some of the deepest wounds are completely invisible. Emotional abuse, manipulation, constant criticism, silent treatment, control, gaslighting. These leave scars that people can't see, but victims carry them every day. One important thing to remember: toxic people aren't always evil. Sometimes they're deeply wounded. Sometimes they grew up around unhealthy relationships. But understanding someone's pain doesn't mean you have to accept their behavior. Love should never require sacrificing your mental health. Sign number 1. You constantly walk on eggshells. Have you ever carefully chosen every word because you're afraid it might start another fight? Maybe you avoid certain topics. Maybe you change your personality depending on their mood. Maybe you're always trying to prevent the next explosion. That's walking on eggshells. Healthy relationships create peace. Toxic relationships create anxiety. Your nervous system stays in survival mode. Over time, this chronic stress affects your sleep, your confidence, your work, and even your physical health. Instead of asking, "What do I need?" you start asking, "What will keep them happy?" That's a dangerous shift, because little by little, you disappear. Sign number 2. Everything somehow becomes your fault. One of the most common manipulation tactics is blame shifting. Let's say your partner forgets an important date. Instead of apologizing, they somehow convince you that you made them forget, or they yell at you, and later explain that your behavior made them angry. Notice the pattern? They never take responsibility. Eventually, you begin apologizing automatically, even when you're the one being hurt. This isn't accountability, it's conditioning. After hearing, "You're too sensitive," it's all in your head. You always overreact. Hundreds of times. Many victims begin believing it. That's exactly what manipulation is designed to do. Sign number 3. They control more than you realize. Control rarely starts with obvious commands. It begins with small requests. "Why are you wearing that?" "Who are you texting?" "I just worry because I love you." Sounds caring at first, but then they want your passwords. They criticize your friends. They isolate you from family. They monitor your location. They decide where you go, who you see, what you wear, how you spend money. Eventually, your entire life revolves around avoiding conflict. Real love respects independence. Control disguises itself as protection. Sign number 4. The relationship feels like an emotional roller coaster. One day, they're incredibly loving. The next, they ignore your messages. One week, you're their soulmate. The following week, you're treated like a stranger. This inconsistency creates something psychologists often call trauma bonding. Your brain becomes addicted to unpredictable rewards. It's similar to gambling. You keep hoping today's the day things will finally change. Those occasional moments of affection become incredibly powerful. You remember the good days. You excuse the bad ones. You stay, waiting for the person you met at the beginning to come back. Sometimes they never do. Sign number 5, you no longer feel like yourself. Think back to who you were before this relationship. Were you more confident, more social? Did you laugh more? Did you dream bigger? Many people lose themselves gradually. They stop hobbies, stop seeing friends, stop expressing opinions, stop pursuing goals, because everything becomes about surviving the relationship. One day, someone asks, "What do you want?" And you honestly don't know. That may be one of the clearest signs you've been emotionally shrinking. Healthy love helps people grow. Toxic love makes people disappear. Sign number 6, they apologize, but nothing changes. "I'm sorry. I promise it'll never happen again. I'll change." Words, without action. Many toxic relationships follow the exact same cycle: tension, conflict, apology, honeymoon phase, repeat. The apology feels genuine, maybe it is, but lasting change requires consistent behavior, not emotional speeches, not expensive gifts, not tears, behavior. If someone keeps hurting you while promising they'll change, believe the pattern, not the promise. Sign number 7. You start believing you can't leave. This may be the most dangerous sign of all. You begin thinking, "No one else would love me. I've invested too much time. They need me. Maybe I'm the problem." These thoughts don't usually appear overnight. They're built slowly, piece by piece, until leaving feels impossible. That's why outsiders often ask, "Why didn't they just leave?" The answer is complicated: fear, hope, financial dependence, children, isolation, trauma bonding, low self-esteem. Leaving isn't just walking away from a person. Sometimes it's rebuilding an identity that was slowly taken apart. If you recognized yourself in several of these signs, please hear this. You deserve respect. You deserve emotional safety. You deserve a relationship where you don't have to earn basic kindness. No relationship is perfect, but healthy love doesn't make you afraid to be yourself. Healing won't happen overnight. Recovery takes time, sometimes therapy, sometimes support from trusted friends, sometimes difficult decisions. But every step toward peace is worth it. Remember this: real love doesn't control, it doesn't manipulate, it doesn't constantly make you question your value. Real love helps you become more yourself, not less. If this video helped you understand toxic relationships a little better, consider subscribing for more videos about emotional health, psychology, and personal growth. And if someone came to mind while watching this, share this video with them. It could be the reminder they need that they are not alone. Thank you for watching, and remember, the healthiest relationship you'll ever have begins with the one you build with yourself.